So for this video, we're going to look at the line in using the new firmware 1.2 for the Deluge. Now, what I have in the line in is Novation Circuit, which is going out to the XWPD1 that does the effects mangling. And then over here I have an EMX1. And all of this is routed right to here, and then the EMX1 is routed out to the Korg Chaos Pad 3 here. And then all of that is going straight into the mono in of the Deluge. This is how you set up the line in for the oscillator. What you would do to create a preset is just press Shift Synth. For me, I'm only setting this up mono. That's just how I run things on my setup here. So I pressed Shift and then this button, and then it should start off saying saw, and then you just turn it to in L and R left right, or in left right. So I'm just using L, okay, and that's it. So it's set up now. So what I did was I saved it to a preset. I just go 93. It's just my last preset on here. And to just have a line in coming through so you can hear it, you just draw a note going through a bar. And then I'm going to press play on my circuit so you can hear. I already have made some beats and some synth sounds just so you can hear what you can do with this. So I'm going to press play here. Right now what I'm going to do is play with this. Now what you can do is change the gating on this. So I'm going to press play, and then I'm just you're going to see I can just put in any timing or note on here. And this is on a C note. So C3 is just the regular audio in, okay? So I'm going to press play. So you can just experiment and see what beat works on here. So I'm going to just press play and see what this sounds like. Now what's really cool about this is you can also change the notes. So I'm just going to make these notes up here just to see what it does. Let's make it go down here a little bit, so let's do that. So you can do that, you can just experiment, you can make long sequenced patterns if you want. So I'm just going to leave it on just this normal setting here, okay? And then what I'm going to do is copy it down, okay? So there's a different section here, that's how you can tell. I just pressed it and it unmuted it, and it muted the other one. So now I can make, let's say, you know, a different pattern here. You can also use effects. So on this one, let's just change the cutoff, for example. Let's just press play and see what we can do. Okay, so I'll keep that. Let's put in a little delay on here too. Let's see what that sounds like. Okay, let's only have it come in here. So I'm going to press this, turn that down all the way. I'm using automation. So it's only doing the delay here where I told it to. Let's go here and pull it way up just for a minute there. So as you can see, you can do that, and then we can just switch right back to here and then press play. You can just copy another one down, change the section, and then go back to it. Let's add some reverb. Maybe we can change the portamento on here. So now you can hear the notes are actually bending in and out. Let's actually automate that. I'm going to press record. go back to this one now. It's also polyphonic, so let's say I want an octave lower. Of course, you can also zoom in and put in some really crazy micro steps in here. Let's hear how that sounds. So let's say I like that, and then I want to like transpose the note down. So I just copied it, okay? And I'm gonna go here, and now I'm gonna turn off scale mode and press shift and turn the knob down. Okay, so now it's lower, and now we can just transfer to this one.